The building industry is rapidly shifting. We're seeing a change in our workforce where one generation is rapidly approaching the age of retirement and another generation is just preparing to enter our field. Now, in these two generations, we're seeing a level of expertise that will retire with that current generation that will have to be replaced by the newer generation that's entering the field. This is making industry demand a far more experienced student from educators. Now, this is challenging educators to change the way we prepare our students so our students are better enabled to address the needs of industry when they graduate. We think the best format of education for our students is providing physical, design, and construction learning activities. Similar to the Department of Energy's Solar Decathlon project, where students physically design and construct solar homes, we think this format of education is probably the best mode of education because it most closely replicates the environment the students will work in when they graduate. Unfortunately, this mode of education is also very expensive, which limits access to it. Most students never get to experience this kind of project before they graduate. Fortunately, there are new and emerging immersive visualization technologies, including augmented and mixed reality. These emerging technologies are enabling educators to bring complex 3D environments into their classroom at virtually no cost. Now, these environments may enable us as educators to provide the same types of learning context that we had traditionally used with physical design and construction activities, so we may enable our students to get similar types of learning benefits in a virtual or augmented reality environment that we used to observe in a physical construction environment. This work will specifically study the extent to which we can identify learning behaviors and learning outcomes that mimic the type we had observed in physical design and construction activities. And this understanding will enable educators to tailor our curricula so we can prepare our students in architecture, engineering, and construction domains to effectively meet the evolving needs of our industry.